Here's a side hustle I do myself, and I think it's the best way for complete beginners to make between 5 to 10k per month. You just need a phone, a laptop, and a Wi-Fi connection. There's no inventory cost, no shipping involved, and there's no sales calls. Don't worry, the market is not saturated for this side hustle because it's growing rapidly every single day. Statistically, only 10% of you will stay here and watch this video till the end. Before we get into it, make sure you save this video so you can look back at it. All you're gonna do is promote somebody else's products or services in exchange for a commission fee. Go to digitstore24.com and then sign up for free. Once you're inside, go ahead and click on Marketplace. You can see there's tons of products you can promote. Choose any one of these topics. Since I love to work out, I'm gonna go with health and fitness. There's a product that's #1 on Digitstore24 and it pays you $19 per sale. Click on this link and you're going to copy it. This is your affiliate link and this is how you get paid by Digitstore24. Every time someone buys through that affiliate link, you earn a commission just like this. This is the exact side hustle that I started as a side hustle and eventually turned it into a full-time thing and was able to quit my engineering job because of it. It's also the side hustle that allowed me to make my first $100,000 online. To learn more about this side hustle, make sure you give me a follow and click the link in my profile and get my free beginner's guide.